Okay, I got this cooler here. It's a Coleman, but you can do it on any cooler. This wheel won't stay on. As you can see, this wheel won't stay on. So what I'm gonna do, I went and got these mending plates. Make sure you can see them. Get these mending plates. It comes with screws in it, but I want some bigger screws. So I got these screws right here, some number 10s, 3/4 inch long. You don't want them no longer than 3/4 inch because you'll pierce through the inside of your cooler. But the only thing you have to do, I'm gonna take 4 of these screws out. Just take this, put them across here. You can put 2 or 3 of these, but I'm gonna just put 1 on each side just to show you. But I'm gonna take this bigger screw, put it in there so I can get more meat on it. See, it fits right in there perfectly. It barely fits, but it's good for what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take it. Put 1 screw there. I'll take the other one. Try it so you can see. And I'm gonna go on the other side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna get it, I'd say probably about right there. That's it. So let's see how this thing works. That's all to it. So as you can see, zoom in. I got them bolted down. You could put 2 on each side if you want. It's pretty easy and cheap to do. And it's on there. You can pull it. Ain't coming off. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.